How are you today? I don't know why I have a British accent all of a sudden. Anyways, I just thought that I would vlog today because, it's super nice outside. We've been having like rain for the past few days. So I think I'm gonna do some climbing, and then I'm also working on some promotional videos for some of the events that we have coming up. And I think it's just gonna be a nice, fun and interesting day. And I just got a brand new phone and I got 128 gigabytes because I don't have time for upgrade your storage. Shut up, I know. So I got a brand new phone with tons of storage, and I was like, you know, this is me making an investment in my career as a content creator for the park, as well as an investment in my own interests as a content creator of memories. Anyways, so yeah, today I'm just going to take you along on the life of Felicia. I'm just got to work and literally no one is here. We just started our like fall hours, so we're like closed during the week now that like school's back in and stuff, and it's so weird. Like I parked horizontally because I can. And there's literally like one or two other people here. And Aisha's supposed to be coming soon, but she isn't here yet.
What up? Go Pats. Go Starbucks. We out here. Starbucks
2K17.
2K.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I just tried to talk. Ugh.
Bruh.
Why? Okay.
Why, Lord? Why you do this?
Okay, so we just went and we got matcha lemonade.
If you have not tried it,
Thanks, Gaga. Really.
I was just about to say, Gaga came through with the matcha lemonade. Girl, I see you.
During the last days of summer, get yourself one.
Get you some lemonade that can do both.
That can matcha,
That can
and
matcha.
Canade.
Matcha. It would have been cute if they called it like matcha man. Is that the song? Matcha man.
Matcha
Where did I
man.
get matcha? I think this is making me dumber.
Also, we went and we got some snacks for lunch. I got popcorn.
I got some egg salad.
The good.
Casual good egg
That-
salad.
Good. I also got face wipes, but that's irrelevant. Okay, moving on. Made it to the motherland. Who knew it would be so hard to find sports gear in TJ Maxx? I did find a Saints shirt and we found some Redskins,
So ugly.
but just sneaking it in.
Your man, or no, what is it? Your girl versus the girl he told you not to worry about or something.
What we were looking for. Titans.
2K17.
I always put stuff in there. Saints.
Oh, and the Saints.
Go. Break it down.
When the Saints go marching. Ooh, makeup wipes. Focus.
We also got some dog bones. Sweet dogs.
And we know a lot of dogs. Everybody say hey.
Hey, hey,
Oh.
hey.
Oh.
I don't know why I started doing that like 10 years after it's over, being
fist
a
bump?
thing. A whip. Oh no.
Oh, that was a whip.
That was, yeah,
Like
exactly.
like a nene whip? Whip nene?
Go, 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 go. Go! Go! I'm
Drive.
sorry, but you're an invisible car.
Only drivers are they're just on their own agenda these
Yeah.
days. Don't
Really.
give any dangs.
Any days. Oh.
No dangs given.
It was a successful trip to TJ Maxx. We got everything that we were looking for and more.
We are
Well, okay, not everything we were looking for.
#1 Titans fans. I think it's strange how we are in gosh dang Maryland and we could not find any Baltimore Ravens attire. All the ugly Redskins shirts, but not one.
So many, and they were all ugly. Like, who? What?
Why are y'all so the New Orleans Saints shirts to begin with.
And Tennessee
And
Titans.
Tennessee Titans.
But no Ravens.
And no Ravens? Oh.
Oh, okay.
Bruh.
Well, you know, I'm gonna just take the L. We're just sitting out here in the beautiful weather.
That was a bee.
Take two.
Oh, sorry. It's a leaf. We're fine.
It was a leaf. We're having lunch. Got some egg salad for Aisha, and I'm having salad in a jar. Somebody else is uninvited joining us for lunch. And yeah, we're listening to some T Swift. We're kind of hating on the song at first, but now we kind of love it.
It's kind of the jam.
It's the jam.
Ooh, looks good on the sky.
Yes, it does. Look at that
Looks
sky.
good on that
Wow,
neon
and look at my
button
hair.
on the wall, the dark.
Oh my gosh. We are living life.
Today was a life day.
It is.
Living lavish.
Living our best life today. We are the only ones here now.
It's our plug.
It's ours.
Sorry.
We taking it. Oh, look at that
taking over.
beauty. Look at that beauty right
That
there.
beauty, them views.
Hey.
Views.
We did a lot, and we didn't update the vlog.
We put on harnesses.
We put on harnesses.
We
Um,
played with a dog.
We played with the dog. We got football pictures.
The sunlight though.
I know. Yes.
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Nope.
Wow.
My hair is just like no.
What else did we do?
We
We got lunch.
yeah.
Ate lunch.
We ate lunch and
Ran
we're
away from some bees.
attacked by bees.
I got stung or bitten by a skeeter. Oh, yep, that was good. That was good. This one's good.
And now we're gonna go and climb. Weeze's Rebels. Hey. Aisha.
What up, fam?
Good job, Aisha. You got it. You got it. Wow, it looks so, the sun right now. It looks good.
She banging, she cute.
Yeah.
Okay.
Two, three. Hey girl, look at them. Gonna be cut.
Like a fillet.
That winter bod, hey. We're done with Mountain Trail.
Mountain. Oh. So I was wondering what smelled the whole time. It's me.
Oh no. Those gloves though, they seen better days.
Nah.
Alright, peace out.
One time from LA Sisters.
Girl Scout. Don't worry, I'm on the ground. Here comes Aisha. Oh, looking like a superstar. Oh, damn. So pretty. The work day is done and we're headed home. Goodbye, Aisha.
Headed home.
It was a pleasure climbing and working and
Laughing and living.
just living life.
Living like
Living.
2K17.
Pieces.
Deuces. Pieces. Reese's Pieces.
Hey guys, it's Next Day Felicia. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this vlog, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I'll definitely be vlogging more at the park when we're doing fun things, and on photo shoots and traveling and any other fun things I get up to. And I'll also be filming things about like sustainable fashion and being vegan and all that sorts of things. Got a lot of stuff to share. So if you're interested, subscribe.